Hey, welcome to Cajuns Across America from Livingston, Louisiana, Lakeside RV Park. We're bringing you today another Rec Teq RV cooking video. Today it's going to be smoked chicken wings. I'm going to let y'all know what's in my wing marinade, and we're going to start with the contents. It's Crystal hot sauce, Zesty light Italian salad dressing, Worcestershire sauce, and low sodium soy sauce. I will put the recipe for this down in the description, so you guys can have it and know what to do with it. But this is basically it. It is 1 cup of Crystal hot sauce, 1 cup of light Zesty Italian salad dressing, a ½ cup of Worcestershire, and a ½ cup of low sodium soy sauce. You're going to put that in a Ziploc bag with your wings, and then you're going to want to mix it up, knead it, work the marinade into your wings, and place those in the refrigerator overnight, at least for a few hours, but overnight. Preparing them the day before is always best, so let them sit in the marinade overnight. Once they're ready, you're ready to get them cooking, then you're going to pull them out the bag and you're going to season them with your favorite Creole or Cajun seasoning. For me, it's Tony Chachere's. I grew up in Opelousas, Louisiana, so for me there's no other than Tony's. You can use whatever Cajun Creole seasoning you like, Slap Your Mama, Cajun Ninja's Paella seasoning, whatever you like, but for me it's Tony's. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and season these wings, get them ready, and I'm going to see you over at the pit where I'm going to explain to you how I'm going to cook them. Okay, we're back at the pit. The Rec Teq is loaded. It's set at 225. Normally I cook this at 250 for a couple hours, but it's late in the afternoon and I don't want to be eating at 8 o'clock tonight. So what we're going to do this time, and it's another option in cooking, we're going to pump some smoke into it. We're going to do it at 225 for about a ½ hour, 45 minutes. Then I'm going to turn the Rec Teq up to 350 and I'm going to bake them off at high heat, crisping up the skin, and it shouldn't take as long. I got all the wings loaded in here, and how I prepped them is I cut the points, separated the flats from the drums, seasoned them with Tony's. This is 28 pieces right here that fit on the Rec Teq. That's pretty good for an RT340, as small as it is. They do make an extra shelf. With that extra shelf in there, you'd be able to get 50 plus wings on there. That is a lot for a mini cooker. So what I'm going to do now is we're just going to let these cook, like I said, at 225 for a ½ hour, 45 minutes. And then I'm going to ramp up the heat, bake them off, crisp up the skin, and we'll get back with you later for the finished product. Alright, they're done. Just pulled them off. Smoked them at 225 for about a ½ hour, 45 minutes. Cranked it up to 350. Did about another ½ hour, 45 minutes. They came out great. The skin is nice and crisp. They have great color. Now, these are great just by themselves, or you can use some condiments with them, dress it up, like we use Frank's hot wing sauce. You can use G-Hughes sugar-free sweet and spicy barbecue sauce, which is excellent. But for the most part, like I said, they're great just by themselves, and I think that's how I'm going to try them right now. They might be a little hot, but let's give it a taste test and see. So good. Skin is nice and crispy. The wings are not dried out. They're good and juicy. They have a great smoke flavor to them, and the marinade really comes through. Trust me, you guys got to try this marinade. You got to try this for yourselves. You won't regret it. We appreciate you tuning in. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you also share this video with your friends and hit the bell so you get notifications on new videos, because coming up, our RV full-time life adventure begins August 28th, 2022 of this year. In just 4 weeks, we're hitting the road. We're touring the Emerald Coast and some other stops in Florida on our way down to the Keys. So you guys want to be a part of all that. We want you to be a part of it. So like I said, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button. And if you like this video, again, thumbs up. And this is just how we say in Cajun in Louisiana, ça c'est bon. Yes, it's good. And that's it from Cajuns Across America. Another great Rec Teq cooking video. More to come. And like we say, laissez le bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. We'll see y'all next time. Y'all have a good one.